giving out discounts and freebies. So please be sure to stop by every single stand that you can stop by and take advantage of all the goodies that come with your purchase today. We start with the baby growths. They produce the tastiest and most nutritious baby foods that are 100% natural for children aged 6 months to 5 years, all from locally sourced cereals, fruits like bananas, dates, vegetables like sweet potatoes and moringa. And there's a special discount of 10% and an opportunity to spin the wheel and win amazing prizes.
Wow. So you can play games and win prizes and fill your bellies.
And also get samples, because they have samples.
All at the same time. Chili Spot is also here. Chili Spots, their service is with endless productions that are here available for you. You can enjoy some mouth-watering coffee. Oh my gosh, what is it that? I'm wondering, what is it that you cannot get today? We have pork and fish, we have the coffee, we have the works, we have some barbecue foods.
That's goats. Goats. Goats.
For toddlers, for adolescents, for teenagers, for adults, so much food and drink.
I'm sure there's food for the elderly as well.
Yeah, there has to be. 12 baskets is also here. 12 basket rules. You can get some small chops and delights. So make sure you find 12 baskets and leave home with as much chops as you can today.
Barbecue grills and more, serving turkey, chicken, and grills at a comfortable free cost. Dedicated outside at the street food section.
Yes, we need to let you know that not all the activity is inside the hall. You can't miss the street food. You can't miss barbecue grills and more. Don't forget, the masterclass started next is at 6 p.m. It's been nothing but pride. The masterclass is all about uncorking your wine
Bring
potential.
your children to JT Code. Let them come and have fun. Lovely experience right here at